Everyone's like super thankful, and like sometimes just seeing all the different ways people rearrange their rooms and furniture is really interesting.
Really being a welcoming face for them, their first time over here at the University of Michigan. And we couldn't really do this without them.
We had Professor Becky Martinez come and talk to us about diversity and boundaries and biases. And so our seminar after that, talking about that and how we see each other and our perspectives on that was pretty cool.
I really enjoyed being able to take part of the leadership seminars we attended and some of these other events we took part in as a group. We were able to meet each other, really discover what it meant to be a leader, and especially here at the University of Michigan.
Yeah, when we got into small groups, it was really nice because we talked about our core values and everything, and just how to respect those amongst people.
It was really fun to meet a whole bunch of people from across the country. Like I said, I'm just outside Detroit, so this place is really close to me, but throughout this process, I've met people from Los Angeles, I've met people from Lebanon, I've met people from Florida. So being able to interact with people I wouldn't normally be able to, it's been an awesome experience.
Yeah, you should totally do it. You meet a lot of people, and it's a great way to start the year.